It's funny how things come full circle. From my mom teaching me how to thread a needle to me reteaching my mom how to do different types of stitches. The journey has been nothing short of crazy. Embroidery has been a part of me for as long as I can remember. I was just 10 when my mother handed me a green thread while she held a yellow one for herself. I watched her closely, fascinated by how effortlessly she threaded the needle. I tried to copy her, but my tiny fingers kept slipping as I struggled to get the thread through the needle's eye. My mom let me try on my own for a bit, but then gently showed me how to do it. Once I got the hang of that, she taught me how to stitch, starting with simple straight lines and eventually moving on to flowers and bigger designs. It quickly became our favorite thing to do together. Back then, I had no idea that one day I wouldn't be able to go a day without embroidering, or that I would build a whole brand around it. I certainly never thought I'd reach a point where I'd be teaching my mother, the very person who introduced me to embroidery, modern techniques and styles. It's funny how things come full circle. Embroidery for me is more than just thread and needle. It's a piece of my family's history that's been passed down, and now I am passing it on to my niece. I love that it's something that connects generation, creating memories along the way. Soon after we moved into our new office space, I decided to hold a small inauguration ceremony. Nothing too fancy, just my closest family. Of course, there had to be some sewing involved. It felt the perfect way to mark the occasion. As we all sat together, stitching away, I couldn't help but feel like life had come full circle. Here, I was teaching my mom some modern embroidery techniques, the same way she had taught me all those years ago. It brought back so many memories of my childhood, those quiet afternoons where it was just me, her, some thread, and a whole lot of patience. We even tried teaching my little niece who's only 4. She cooperated for a bit, sitting there with a tiny needle and thread, trying to mimic what we were doing. But then she lost interest and wandered off, as 4-year-olds do. Still, it was such a sweet moment watching her join in, even if only for a little while. The whole day was incredibly emotional and wholesome. It wasn't just about the sewing or the ceremony, it was about being together, reminiscing, and creating new memories. Everything felt so right, and it made me even more grateful for the journey that brought me here. The sad reality is that embroidery is becoming a lost art, but I am doing my best to keep it alive, to show others how relaxing and fulfilling it can be. Every time I share it with someone new, I feel like I'm helping to keep that legacy going on, one stitch at a time.